The 2013 Chevrolet Impala. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and air conditioning. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.